Have you ever wondered how a program makes decisions? For example, is a number even or odd? Is a student pass or fail? Today we will learn the most important decision-making statements in Java, that is if-else statement. Hello students, welcome back to A to Z Tech World. This is day 5. In today's video, we will learn how Java takes decisions using if-else statement. Before going to the program, first we have to understand what is if-else. Till now, we have learned variables, data types, user input, operators. But programming is not only about calculations. Sometimes we need to make decisions. For example, if marks are greater than 40, display pass. Otherwise, display fail. This can be done using if-else statement. Let's have a practice and create a program using else-if statement. For that, we will go to new class, day 5. For today's program, we are going to use scanner class. So for using scanner class, first we have to write import Java, that is import java.util dot star semicolon and then regular program. Class day 5 public static void main string till here. I'm sure everybody can write very easily. Now, first of all, we have to create a scanner object. For that, scanner, whatever you want to write, sometime we are writing SC, sometime we are writing in. Let's say in equals to new scanner system dot in semicolon. Now, a new object has been created for the scanner, that is in the name of in. Now, System.out.println enter a number. Now, I'm asking from a user to enter a number. If I want to accept a number, that means I have to save it in some variable. For that, I will first declare that variable as n. Then n equals to, here I have written in. So in dot next next int bracket open close. Now here I have asked to enter a number and now I am storing it in n. Now I have to check that the given number is a even or not. For that I will use if condition. If is another word of agar ye hota. So if, then we will use n, then mod sign 2 equals to 0. Now, what is the purpose of this, or what is the meaning of this? N mod 2 equals to 0. That means if I am dividing the n with 2, and if the remainder is equals to 0, in that case write System.out.println even number, else odd number. Now, first let us see that is this program is running or not. Then again I'll explain how this program is going to work. So close it. Sorry, I have not compiled it. Compile it. Compile, no syntax error. Enter number. Let's say I enter 8. It's an even number. Okay. For even number it's working. Let's say I have entered 7. It's an odd number. That means it's working. Now, how it is working? Now, this means that the number will be divided. This number will be divided with 2, and the remainder is equals to 0. Now, here we are using two new operator, that is mod sign. Mod sign is used to display the remainder, whereas double equals to is used to check that the number is equals or not, that is number बराबर है कि नहीं. Okay. Now here if n mod 2 equals to 0, that means क्या n को 2 से डिवाइड करने पर उसका रिमाइंडर जो है वो 0 आ रहा है? Yes or no? If this is true, in that case the first option will be executed, that is System.out.println even number, and if it is false, in that case second option will be coming, that is System.out.println odd number. Now, I'm sure here you don't have any problem to understand. मेरे ख्याल से कहीं पे भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. अब इस प्रोग्राम में what you have to do, there are two options. First, I've explained this program how it is working. Then dry run. Now, what is dry run? Dry run, that doesn't mean that we are working with using any electronic instrument. We are using it on the copy and pen. Now, here System.println enter number, एक number input करना है. Okay. Then n equals to in.nextInt bracket open close semicolon. That means एक number accept कर लिया. I have accepted one number. Then if n mod 2 equals to 0, that means if n is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, in that case it will execute this part, otherwise it comes to the else part and it will display this part. मतलब अगर n को हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं 2 से और उसका रिमाइंडर 0 आ रहा है तो वो कंडीशन ट्रू हो रहा है और वो ये वाला डिस्प्ले करेगा, दैट इज System.out.println even number. अदरवाइज अगर ये कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गया, दैट इज ये डिविजिबल 0 नहीं हो रहा है, कोई वैल्यू आ जा रहा है, इन दैट केस ये एल्स के पास आएगा और System.out.println that is odd number print कर देगा. Fine. ठीक है. Now in day to day life also we are using if and else condition. अगर ऐसा है तो ये करो, नहीं तो ये करो. So यहाँ पे भी बस यही चीज है, एक सिंपल इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज हम लोग को यहाँ पे यूज करना है. Now the basic program can be done only by using this. Now why I have used the word basic, that means you are going to practice on that. That is, check for even odd number, check for positive or negative number, check that the student is pass or fail, check which is the largest number or the smallest number, check the eligibility number, that is are you eligible to vote or not, like this. These are some of the simplest programs which can help you to understand if else conditions. Now I have given some homeworks also. Write a program in Java to check whether a number is positive or negative. If you have enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to A to Z Tech World. And don't forget to turn on notification because tomorrow we will learn another exciting Java concept in day 6. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.